Good morning. Happy 1-year road anniversary to me. I'm gonna get on the road. I'm excited to now just hop right into the mountains. There's so much to explore. Anyway, today's gonna be great. I'm having a Starbucks. I never drink coffee and I've been now actually I'm not having coffee, I'm having a chai latte. But it's a little bit of a celebratory drink before I get on the road, and it's cold, so it'll be a little warm thing before I head out. Okay, up into the mountains we go. So the plan was to ride to Peña del Aire and stop at a few Pueblo Magicos along the way. First stop was Ronda Monte. So far, it was beautiful. I got lost trying to find the town center and ended up getting to experience the little and sometimes tight streets around the town. Just made it to Mineral de Monte. I think also it's called Real de Monte. And it's so lovely. And it's before 10 a.m. so not that many things are open, but oh my god, the smells. Ugh. The thing about motorcycling is, you know, your senses are so enlivened, and the smells, I'm smelling the pandarillas that are opening, and then there's like kind of this smell of incense. So I'm having so much fun already. It looks like they're raising the flag in the centro allá. Oh, check this out, the dogs are getting in a tiff.
Gracias y con mucho gusto.
Happy birthday.
Ah, thank you.
Oye, como Marilyn Monroe, to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ah, gracias. Qué bonita.
Dear body mother girl. Happy birthday to you.
Ah, thank you. Sí, iguales. Bye.
Sí, tú llevas como una hora ahí arriba.
Adiós, nos vemos. Gracias. Sí, gracias. Bye. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy formando aquí en los carros, miren.
Ah, ok. ¿Pero es un calle o puedo pasar o solo con caminar? ¿Qué?
Está cerrado. Vayas aquí a la esquina, a la derecha, siga los carros y vas acá al centro.
Ok, ok, gracias.
Okay, little stop here in Wasteka, another Pueblo Mexico. I just parked my bike. I think there's a little market here, and I plan to get some fruits and stuff, so let's see what I find.
Hola. This view is crazy. On the GoPro, you might not be able to see how incredible it is, but over there looks like there's cabañas, and I think where you can camp. So I'm just about here, and it's just starting to rain. Whew. Rain is coming down now, but look at this. Oh my gosh, the rain is totally coming down. But, oh my god, could I bring my motorcycle from here? Oh, what a freaking awesome thing. I don't know if I can fit. Whew. Oh my god, listen to it. Can I fit here? Holy moly. That would be awesome. I think I can. Shit, I hope I can. Oh my god, the rain is like all of a sudden pouring. Shit. Wow, the timing is wild. But fuck, can I fit in here? Shit. I don't know if I can. Okay, at least a little bit. Get out of the rain. Let's see. Oh my god, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really coming down now. Let's see if I can fit. Turn. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Amazing. Oh my god. I cannot believe there's an indoor spot and I literally just arrived when it started to rain. And I can camp in here. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, made it. Oh. Okay, let's see if it rains all day. I'll be in this hut all night. But it's such a beautiful place. Look at the little horsey. It doesn't seem like he minds the rain at all. Oh my god, thank you, thatch roof. This is awesome. That was crazy timing. And it's gonna get muddy quickly. I'm so thankful for this hut. Oh my god, I legit cannot believe how much it's coming down and how happy I am that I am not in that. Oh my god. There's nothing better than having arrived right before it torrential rains. Thank you. Well, it looks like it's going to rain from now through 2 a.m. So I think this is my home. So I got to setting up my house. I got comfortable and found some entertainment, figuring I'd be there for a while given the rain situation outside.
wasn't really enjoying myself. And lo and behold,
Okay, it looks like the rain has lightened up a tad. I'm gonna go check out the little huts and see if anyone's there, just out of curiosity. Okay, it's still raining, but it's just a lot lighter than it was. Okay, I'm just gonna go for a run for it. Ooh. Oh gee. Let's see. There's people here. Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás? Buenas. Check out this other area. Look how cool this is.
Hola.
Hola, buen día. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien. ¿Y usted?
Bien, bien, gracias. ¿Qué?
¿De qué parte viene?
De Estados Unidos, de Nueva York.
¿New York?
Sí.
Oh, hey.
Sí.
Oh my God.
How you doing?
Día de Nueva York.
Sí. ¿Es los animales de aquí? Wow. This is so great. The rains have kind of let up a little. Oh my God, does this ever look scary but cool? Look. That is a swing. Oh my God. This is legit a full on. Oh my God. Oh my God. It literally drops off like crazy. Wow.
Lo hicimos para ti.
Hola. Hola, hi. Oh, hi. Ah, ok. ¿Cuánto tiempo en...?
this family invited me to join them on a short little hike. The views were absolutely insane. It's so beautiful to me the way that I see Mexican families, how they are so open to inviting me into their activities and how they make me feel like I'm one of theirs, like I too am one of the family.
Oh, my little home. Got mi casa, my ride, my desk, charging station, everything I need here.
I'm so happy I just got to experience all that the rains stopped in the afternoon. I made some friends. Now it's about 4 p.m. I might kind of cozy up a little. Anyway, I'm happy.
Es un poco grande, Peri.
Está muy pesada, ¿no? Para ti.
Sí, para mí sí.
Tienes mucha condición.
Sí. ¿Y tú te vas a tu casa?
Sí, a las 6. ¿Te quedas aquí?
Ah, sí, sí.
Cuídate mucho. No hay problema.
Gracias, sí, sí.
Mañana abren aquí a las 9.
Ok.
9 a.m.
Ok, perfecto.
Ahí están los baños.
Ajá,
Lo que
perfecto.
gustes. Me gustó tu moto.
Gracias.
Cuídate mucho.
Gracias, adiós.
Tú tranquila, que esto es un lugar muy seguro.
Gracias.
¿Sí saben lo que es confianza?
Sí, sí,
Nosotros
yo tengo.
todos son de
Gracias.
confianza.
Gracias, sí.
Entonces, Tamara,
Bueno.
Cuídate mucho.
Sí, gracias. ¿Qué pasa? You finished. And you have all the gear. It's good for the rain.
how you stay right here? It's nice.
So nice.
If you
Yes.
camping right there, it's very bad.
I know. I feel so lucky. It's perfect. Ah, okay.
Pero ya platicamos.
Sí, ella habla español.
No hay desconfianza.
Aquí no hay problema.
Que se puede quedar en su casa. Bueno, yo no.
See, he's saying it's to have confidence is good. Yeah.
Many people ask me if I get scared sleeping in places alone. And the truth is, I don't have any fear. But there is a very specific reason as to why. I shifted something in my mind that empowers me to be in peace wherever I am. But I will share more on that later. Okay, it is about 8 p.m. and it's bedtime. I'm in my tent here under this thatch roof, which is amazing. Okay, sayonara. Good night.